Hello everyone, I'm presenting the poster Understanding DevOps Education with Ground Theory to you. In academia, many people don't know much about DevOps. Let's start with introducing DevOps. DevOps stands for Development Operation. It is a topic raised from industry. DevOps is one of the hottest technical terms searched in Google search, as shown in this chart. To understand the popularity of DevOps in industry, we search for DevOps job posting. There were a significant number of postings for DevOps practitioners. But what is DevOps? DevOps is not only about technology. In short, DevOps is cultural, procedural, and technical movement to improve customer satisfaction, business, and innovation. DevOps was evolved from continuous integration, CI. CI was described in the book Continuous Integration written in 2007. Later in 2010, the CI concept was expanded to Continuous Delivery, CD. From CD, the automated cycle was expanded from development to operation and became DevOps. Therefore, DevOps covers all process from development to operations. Since DevOps covers all things about development and operations, it's very complicated. Civil Labs try to identify all DevOps-related tools and organize them into this periodic table. The tools are categorized into 50 categories according to the functionality. There's no single tool that can be called DevOps tool. When DevOps is so complicated, what are the requirements for DevOps practitioners? Lees has studied DevOps practitioner job posting in LinkedIn and summarized these 8 job requirements. The first 2 are operations related. The next 2 are development related. Number 5 is technologies and infrastructure related. Number 6 and 7 are procedural requirements. Last but not least, number 8 is cultural requirement. Who are the people having all these skills? They are called jack of all trades. When DevOps is very popular in industry, it is not popular in academic. I searched for DevOps-related publication in IEEE Explorer, ACM Digital Library, and Google Scholar. The number of publications related to DevOps were shown on the left side in each chart. Then I compared the number of publications in other popular topics, such as container, cloud, and deep learning. The number of publications in other popular topics were shown on the right side in each chart. Beware that the y-axis were logarithmically scaled. Hence, publications on other popular topics were significantly higher than those about DevOps. When academics were not familiar with DevOps, how can academics train DevOps practitioners? So this is what we try to study. To fulfill the great demands of DevOps practitioners now and in the future, we want to find out how institutions can teach the student about DevOps. We have 6 findings. You can find the details about these findings in the corresponding publications. Concluding our findings, DevOps is becoming a standard in industry, and DevOps practitioners are in high demand. We employ the ground theory methodology to study the challenge in DevOps education through interviews, surveys, data collection, and analysis. We find that DevOps is lacking of commonly recognized scope, curriculum, and credential. Roles and responsibility of DevOps practitioners were still rapidly changing. Therefore, institutions cannot yet provide comprehensive DevOps education. To foster DevOps education, we propose 11 hypotheses that initiate fundamental DevOps teaching and research, which benefit academia and industry. These are the 11 hypotheses. From our research result comes 2 publications. The first one is my PhD dissertation, which have the most details. The second is a paper in ICSE 2020 proceeding. If you are interested in DevOps education, please contact me, Candy Pan, candy.pan@mccuven.ca. Thank you very much for your time. Take care and all the best.